Hey guys, and welcome back to How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to delete your Craigslist account. Now let's begin. I'm quite tired of Craigslist and I just want to delete my account. So what I would like to do initially is simply go to accounts. Right next to post on the top right section, you'll see a button like this that says ACCT. Click on it right now. Then you'll be redirected to a page like this that is accounts. Initially, you'll be in the postings tab. Well, simply scroll to the right and at the very end, you'll see something like settings. Click on the button right here. Then from here, as you can see, you can change your email address, password and everything. We have covered almost everything. And right now, let's simply try to deactivate this account. Right here, next to this deactivate this account tab, you'll see something like deactivate account. The button's right here. Click on it. Then something like this will open up. Simply click on the button that's provided that says send account deactivation email. Click on it right now. Then as you can see, the email has been sent to my email address. I'm gonna go check it right now. Well, I have received this email and right here at the bottom, you can see a link provided. Simply click on it and follow along the prompts to deactivate your account. Finally, click on the button at the bottom that says complete Craigslist account deactivation in order to deactivate your account. Then as you can see, your account has been deactivated. It's quite easy. Deactivating your Craigslist account cannot be much easier. Well guys, that's about it. That's how we deactivate your Craigslist account. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.